Artificial intelligence has shown positives for organizations in breaking down large sums of information. The Center for Transportation Research is investigating the practical advantages of integrating AI into operations from the Texas Department of Transportation, examining potential benefits in this new and vast data landscape.
So this was a 4-year-long project. So during the first 2 years, it was a broad exploration project trying to help TxDOT understand what the landscape was in terms of artificial intelligence and transportation. So this was 5 years ago when there were a lot of emerging data sources, vendors based on machine learning, artificial intelligence, and we were trying to get the lay of the land. The second 2 years, based on what we found during the first 2 years, we realized that there were some low-hanging fruits for things that we could do with data that TxDOT was already acquiring and that could derive more value from that data.
They found that there's a great potential for AI to help our transportation system operators and owners to address our goals. For example, in our case, it's improve safety, alleviate the congestion, and improve the air quality. We got tons of data. The AI technology definitely would help us to make more informed, data-driven decisions.
For the first period, the first 2 years, we did small prototypes. So we have some insights concerning the use of machine learning to identify safety hotspots, to understand travel patterns, to do signal timing plans in real time. And we actually prototype this short-term travel time estimation. And so for the models that we used over the last 2 years, we found that actually machine learning can help us estimate travel times up to 40% more accurately than what you would normally do. So in these days, we typically use the current travel time as an estimate of the travel time that you're going to experience, and that could be up to 40% wrong in some corridors and at some time of the day, and you can do it better using machine learning.
Some of the models tested in the project show promise in improving TxDOT's ability to help drivers identify the shortest route among competing alternatives. The model we tested, gave us pretty reliable results. So that would help, the drivers make more informed decisions. And I think that's benefits that this project will bring to us.
So, if with this moves to implementation, potentially we could be providing more accurate estimates of travel times in such a way that drivers may save a few minutes when crossing Austin. And at the same time, by switching to an alternative route, all congestion may get relieved. So everyone may experience travel time savings. And also from a traffic management perspective, maybe having more accurate travel time information will allow decision makers to maybe, when they have the ability to adjust timing plans, if they foresee a long delay on I-35 that may divert more traffic to the frontage roads, that could improve management in general.
We can utilize this big amount of data to help us make more, informed decisions. That's kind of the direction we're going. One of the important tools that will help us decipher what's included in that data is the artificial intelligence models. So that way we can come up with more reasonable, accurate estimate of travel times, which would provide a better experience to our traveling public.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.